Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. I'm a Chartered Accountant and acting as Academic Advisor to Masterminds Group of Institutions. It has been 20 years that I have been working in academics. My dear students, with the experience, with the vast experience that I have, so I'm able to see lakhs of students, some who are able to succeed in their career and some may not. But so what the common point that I have observed among all the people is everyone might have put hard work. Now a small confusion starts among the students. Sir, can we succeed in our education, our career, our life just with hard work? I'm sorry my dear students, it's just a myth. So just due to hard work, getting success is just a myth. That hard work has to be done with the right direction. My dear students, let us take the example of a movie. So, the crew, the cast and crew of a movie will put the same amount of hard work whether it is a successful movie or a failure movie. Similarly, let us take the example of a cricket match. So, in case of cricket match, the team consists of 11 players, and don't forget whether the team is going to win the match or lose the match, the amount of efforts will remain same. Remember my dear students, if hard work alone is going to show you wonderful path of success, then by this time, rickshaw pullers, daily wage laborers, auto rickshaw drivers, so all these people might have been the richest persons, my dear students, but that will never happen. So success purely depends on how good strategies you are going to design. That means how good you are at designing wonderful strategies and how good you are in successfully implementing the same. So hard work alone will not lead you success. So along with hard work, you need a right direction. That right direction is nothing but strategies. You have to design wonderful strategies and you shall focus on implementing those strategies in a successful manner. This is one area where a large number of people get failed. So they fail because they fail to plan. They don't even plan. So you have to spend at least 10% of your quality time on planning and 90% of your time on execution. But unfortunately, most of the students, they don't spend any quality time on planning. They directly jump into execution. That will not yield you any results, my dear students. Let us imagine I want to hit a target. So by using a arrow and bow. Remember my dear students, my efforts will remain same. Whether I am going to hit the arrow either with target or without target. There will not be any difference in efforts. But so if I don't have a target, obviously my efforts will run into vain. So that's why, my dear students, you must have a proper target. You must design strategies to crack the target and you must implement those strategies in a successful manner. The best method to design wonderful strategies is SWOT analysis. You must analyze your strengths and weaknesses and you should also identify the opportunities and threats in an examination. For example, in every examination, you can find a few areas which can be taken as choice. It's an opportunity. Similarly, in case of exams of professional courses, you can find at least a few questions in the examination which are unexpected. It's a threat. In case of professional courses, you have to be thorough with large amount of syllabus. It's a threat. So similarly, you can have your own strengths and weaknesses. Some may be very good at communication skills, some will love theory subjects, and some hate theory subjects. All these are your strengths and weaknesses. So based on all these analysis, you need to design your own strategies. Don't forget, you must spend at least 10% of your preparation time to analyze the question papers of previous examinations, and you need to come up with a strategy of your own. A single medicine will not suit all the patients. Similarly, a single strategy will not work out for all the students. You have to design your own strategies based on your own strengths and weaknesses. So design perfect strategies and pay equal attention on implementing those strategies. My dear students, this principle will remain good even in case of your career. Let us assume you have qualified your CA and decided to start your own practice. This principle will hold good even then also. So this principle will not confine to your academics, that is your studies alone. This will hold good in your entire life. So never be in a wrong notion that hard work alone is going to lead you to success. Hard work plus a right strategy plus right implementation. So these three things are required to lead you to success. That's nothing but smart work. So when you have a proper strategy and you prepare in a scientific manner, definitely it becomes a smart work. So that's why work smart but not hard. So I think this video is useful to you. If you feel that this video is useful to you, please don't forget to press like button and please do subscribe to our channel so that it will motivate us to make still more number of videos. If you have any doubts, you can contact me directly in the description. I am leaving my mail ID. And please do install our Android app, Masterminds online classes. Large number of useful videos are already available in that app, and you can pay the amount directly and can start watching the videos, my dear students. All the best.